And the next is different navigation method. So in Selenium WebDriver, it provides me a navigation method as well. That if I want to navigate to the third URL or some other URL, so how I can navigate to the different URL. So they provide a navigate dot to method for us through which we can navigate to the any particular URL. Okay. Suppose driver dot get was there. I will comment this line, and instead of that, I will use driver dot navigate dot to as it is saying navigate means we are navigating to any particular URL. So to is the method they have given if you want to navigate to any URL, to string URL. So you can see it is saying the same thing, loading the web page in the current window. Just use this one in the double quotes. You can use the google.com website. Now you can, if you will click on a right click, run as Java application. It will also open a google.com website for you in the browser. But there are some difference between these two methods, get and to, that I will explain you also. You can see it has also opened the google.com for me,
Yes.
right? Driver. So there are two ways that if you want, driver.get is also there and to is there, but both are having some differences that also I will explain you. As of now, just understand like there are two ways, driver.get and driver.navigate.to also is the method that we can navigate to any particular URL. And if we want to
And which
press,
one is recommended, Rahul? Or
sorry,
is it where depends upon the scenario?
no, no, no. See, I will tell you when to use the two also. I think I
Oh,
must have written somewhere. So I will tell.
okay.
I think this is the difference there, no? That I will tell in the difference when to use which one.
Okay. Okay.
But
Thank
as
you.
of now, just get that navigation. If I want to do the navigation of to the any URL, so that also I can do with the help of a driver.navigate.to method.
Okay.
And next one is the forward. You can see like in the, this is the forward one, this is the backward, and this is the forward. If any case I want to press these icons, so how I can do that. And this is the refresh one, how I can click on the refresh of a web page. So for that they have given some separate method for that. Okay, so now what we will do, I will uncomment this line, google.com website. So once I'm going on the google.com website, and now I will go on the Facebook here. Mm, not Facebook, or maybe something. Okay, we'll try with Facebook one. Facebook.com. You can take any website. Just I'm taking an example. So first it will load the google.com for me. Second time it will load the facebook.com for me. And it has maximized the browser, right? And after that we will get the title, that's a separate. But now I want to click on the backward page, right? I want to go on the back page, or maybe I want to click on the back arrow. How I can do that? So for that, driver dot navigate dot back. Okay, back is the method that they have given. With the help of this you can again go to the previous page. Click run as a Java application. You can see it will open the google.com. Then it has opened the facebook.com for me. It has maximized the browser, and again it has gone to the facebook.com, right?
Yes, Rahul, got it.
And if I want to go on the forward, I want to go on the facebook.com again. Similar way, driver.navigate.forward is the method they have given. Use it. And same for the refresh. We'll cover the refresh also in that. Navigate dot refresh is the method with the help of you can refresh your web page, current web page.
Yes, and I'll just add wait for 1 or 2 seconds so that we will get the result
Okay,
clearly.
so I will add thread.sleep is a wait if you want to stop the execution for some time or pause the execution for the some time. You can use the thread.sleep, and in thread.sleep it will always take the time in the milliseconds. So you can see long millis. It is taking in the milliseconds. So you can mention like 1000 is for the 1 second that we are mentioning, and it throws a declaration, it throws an exception that you have to use, and it will throw interrupted exception that you have to handle it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and same we can copy there, paste it there, and I will do this one here also, not an issue. After this also I will do. Okay, I have added the weight as well, so maybe you can see the more clear way.
Yes,
So let's see. So thread dot sleep is our basically na static weight is there. Okay, and once I will be teaching about the more about the weight, so at that time I will explain about the static and dynamic weights. Google.com is done, that is done. Google again, Facebook, and it has refreshed the web page in the last.
yes.
I will give 2 second, not an issue, because it was again too fast. Let's see once again. Google.com, now Facebook.com. It will maximize the browser. It will go on Google. Again, it will go on for Facebook. Now it will refresh the Facebook. Okay, so that's how we can achieve and use the navigation method to achieve this.
Rahul,
Yeah.
suppose if I want to navigate back twice, then I need to write this line twice.
Yes, right. You have to write down this line 2 times.
Okay, okay.
And suppose you want multiple times. Suppose you want 10 times. So in that
Mm,
case, you don't need to write this line 10 times. And
mm.
instead of that, you have to use the Java concept here. You have to
Okay,
use some for loop,
okay, okay.
and in that, like you can mention int I equal to 1, and you can mention how many time you want to click on this one. So
Mm, mm.
for is basically a loop. With the help of a you can execute same line of code number of times. Okay, so in that case you don't need to write
Okay,
the same line
okay,
multiple time. You can use a for loop there. You can use a Java concept in that.
okay, okay, Rahul.
Okay, so this is done all the ways, and this is the way of navigating to specified ways that you, if you want, you can use the navigate.to method.